How to use YouTube cards for higher engagement. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to add YouTube cards to boost engagement, keep your viewers watching, and drive traffic to your other videos or playlists. First thing you need to do is you need to know what YouTube cards are. They're basically interactive pop-ups that appear during your video. They can link to other videos, playlists, channels, or even polls to keep your viewers engaged. Now, you need to go ahead and open up YouTube Studio. Once you open it up, you need to go to your content. Make sure you're on the content tab. Select your video where you want to add your pop-up. So I'll just go over here, add, select my video. Once you select your video, you should have an option to add cards. You'll see an option to add card, playlist, channel, link, or poll. If you don't see it, go to more option and you should find it here. If you still don't see it, you need to use the web version of Studio. Go over to your web browser and simply search for your YouTube Studio and open it up. Make sure the desktop site is turned on. Once you've done that, go to content. Now you can go over to your content and tap on edit draft, or if you already have an existing content, you can edit that as well. So I'll just tap on edit draft here. Now you can find many different options here, including remixing, tags, language and caption certifications, and more. Then you can just tap on next. You'll get to your video elements. Here you can tap on add cards, tap on add right here. Once you tap on it, it should take you to this page. Now select the part of the video where you want to add your card. For example, right here, I can just tap on a video, select one of my videos from here, and once you've done that, you can just tap on save right here, tap on it, and you've successfully added a card on your video. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.